back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is for those of you who want to work from home but don't have a computer and a home office setup. The huge insurance company Progressive is hiring people to work from home doing call center customer service. They're providing the training, they're providing the computer equipment. If you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below. And if you could just do me a favor, if you find this job lead helpful or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, as that helps me and gives me feedback that these are being helpful to someone. But with that being said, Progressive is hiring people to join their call center. You'll be taking inbound calls, supporting and building trust with the customers, and servicing their unique needs while offering additional products. You'll be answering inquiries from the customers, such as insurance policy needs, by answering questions regarding to insurance coverage, rates of billing, any billing issues that they have, and any general policy reviews. And then you'll also try to upsell them on additional products as well. Now, they are offering paid training. Training starts in April of 2023, and they are looking for someone who can multitask, who has customer service experience, and can navigate through multiple computer systems. They also want someone who has 2 years of post-secondary education or higher, so that is like an associate's degree or higher. If you don't have that, they will take 2 years of relevant customer service work experience over that. Now, one thing to note, you do need to have a workspace in your home that is free from noise and other distractions. And of course, your internet connection has to be either DSL or cable modem with a minimum speed of 10 megabytes per second. They will provide all the computer equipment for you, but you have to physically connect it to the router. No Wi-Fi is going to be allowed. Now, they do pay anywhere from $19.50 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour, depending on the role you are selected for. And on top of that, they provide a basic benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping my eye out when I am out there searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.